Hello OVCT, it's Mr. Ream and I'm here with a quick demo video for the nGrade Pro Turnitin feature. Within the last couple weeks, nGrade Pro went through and revamped some of their settings on here and some of their options for us to use, and one of those just happened to be the Turnitin feature. Unfortunately, some students aren't familiar with it and are just having some issues getting their homework sent over to their instructor. So we're going to walk you through this. So we're going to pretend like I'm a student and I've created my little setup here. So the first thing I want to do is I want to choose the class that we're going to have the Turnitin feature through. For this one, it's going to be Intro to Computers, which I'm teaching at the moment. So what we're going to look at is the turn-ins. Okay, when I go to turn-ins, it's going to look like the old turn-in screen, and it's going to give me an option of the different things that we need to turn in. For this example here, though, we're going to do this one called Build a Computer. So we click on it. Okay, and down here is where you're going to notice the new features. Okay, and if you actually hover over each one of the icons here, it's going to tell you exactly what it does. This one here is for text, this one here is for linking, and the one that looks like an arrow pointing up is actually the file, and that's the one we're going to want to use. So if we click on that, it's going to open a browse box just like we did in the past, or just like we had in the past. So if we click on that, this box pops up. Now what we need to do is go and retrieve the file. So this may be in your H drive, it could be on your thumb drive. For me, I just save this document into my documents. So I find out, I go and locate the one that I need, I double click, and if you saw down here, very quickly it said 99% it was actually uploading. Okay, after it was done, it pops this down here, it's a Word document, Build a Computer is the name of it. And then if you scroll to the right, it gives you this option. We can either view it and make sure that this is the right document that we want to send out. If we do view it and it's not right, you can simply just throw it in this little garbage can here, this little garbage bin, and start over by going back to the browse and finding the right document. But since we know this one is correct, we're going to hit continue. Once we hit continue, you're going to see one file added successfully. Okay, if you see that, that lets you know that on your end it's sent out. Okay, now you talk to your instructor and they say, hey, I haven't received this yet, are you going to submit it? And you can explain to them, hey, I used the Turnitin feature, it must not have worked, let me send it to you in a message. And again, we just go up here to classes. Okay, and where our classes, if we scroll to the right, we see our instructor, we click on that. Okay, here in the subject, you're just going to put assignment. Okay, and I've already kind of put this in here to cheat a little bit, but assignment, and then build a COM for computer. As far as attachments, you click on that, and you can see that it's sent successfully on our end. Now, it doesn't mean that your instructor is a big fat liar and they're just trying to be mean. They may genuinely not have gotten it. So what's nice in this situation is it's already there. So all you gotta do is double click and bam, there it is. Okay, now in the messages, Mr. Ream, and then just go into your explanation. Here's me resubmitting it. I hope you get this. Let me know if there's any questions. And then send the message away. Okay, message sent, close it out, and you're done. Simple as that. Okay, if you guys are still having any issues with this, please don't hesitate to come see me. You can see me in my office. I'm available to you guys. If you want to email me, you can do that as well at jream@ovct.edu. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.